Vast, as you saw in my last Vast video. I just picked that up. So I got this brand new 55-inch Samsung. The model number is 82BA. The other model that's closely related to this one is the 80BA. And the difference between the two of them is that with this model, you get more dimming zones. And that's pretty much about it. It's the same thing. If you go online and look at rtings.com, you'll see the ratings there. Both the same kind of television. They're both 2022 models. And with this one, it's 4K at 120 Hertz. Has 4 HDMI ports, all of them at 2.1 HDMI. So you can plug in all your game machines and have no problem about running out of ports. It has auto low latency mode, it has VSync, it has G-Sync, all that good stuff in there. Also, the TV has Dolby Atmos sound, but it does not have Dolby Vision. But with Samsung, they don't support that, but they do have HDR10, HDR10 Plus. So regardless of what you're playing on here, with or without Dolby Vision, it's gonna look great on this TV. I'm pretty sure of it. So let's bust this TV open and see what it looks like. Everybody, you can see the TV here is now assembled for you to see. It's a beautiful flat display. It's a QLED. And you see the TV stand here that came with it. Very strong, heavy, enough to hold the TV up so you don't have to feel too worried if it falls over, which it won't. Also on the back of the TV is a lot of grooves to fit your cables for your Xboxes and your PlayStations and all your other devices you have. Also on the left side of the TV over here, you have four, count them, 1, 2, 3, 4 HDMI inputs, all at 2.1 for all your 120 needs. Also, there's also 2 USB inputs, and also 1 RF input for those of you who use cable still. And also, with the TV, you get this nifty controller here. And on the remote, as you can see, there's a button for Disney Plus, Samsung TV Plus, Netflix, and Prime Video, so all your favorite streaming sites are available, ready to go. You have a voice-activated command here, for those of you who want to use your voice to do a command on the television. There's also a button here for multi-window, as Samsung, just like their phones, have multi-window. And there's the power button. And here's a neat little thing. With this control, there's no batteries, as you can see on the back. There's a solar charging port here to recharge the battery within the remote already. So you don't need to go buy a battery. Just leave it in the sun, you're good to go. So, for those of you who are ready to see the TV power up, let's do it right now. So we need to pull this tab, I'll come a bit closer, pull this tab to get the TV ready. Alright, so let's do it. See, it's booting up nicely, Samsung. QLED, still has security by Knox, just like your Samsung phone. Still booting up, taking its time, as you can see. We're going to choose hello because I speak English here, so we're going to do that. Hello. So you get 2 options. You can use your smartphone quick and easy to calibrate the TV, which I won't be doing today. Or you can use remote control step by step, which I will be doing with you now. I am not doing the QR code. For you, when you buy the TV and do it, it's all up to you. Have to pick the right one, obviously. So you have setup, auto startup, and retail mode. We're not in the store, so we will not be picking retail. So as you can see, all you need is a Samsung Smart Remote to set it up, but you have these things that say it's connected. The RF cable input is not connected. There's no HDMI plugged in. There's no HDMI plugged in, yet again and yet again. So we're gonna hit auto startup. We're gonna say okay. We're gonna let it do its thing. See all the lovely images and colors. So we have to pick a Wi-Fi here. Alright, so now we got past the Wi-Fi stage, we're all set up that way. Ask you about the terms and conditions and privacy, of course. So, let me see, you got here. Now, Smart Hub privacy notice. All this jargon, which is quite a bit to read. I'm just gonna scroll through this. I'm probably gonna say no to it anyway. Interest-based advertisements, nope, I'm not agreeing to all. So I'm going to skip all of this. Skip. Okay. Next. So we have here, take your viewing experience to the next level. Sound volume or brightness will be optimized by analyzing your viewing environment and the current content. Change this feature may increase power consumption. So I'm going to do that a bit later. I'm going to skip past that right now. I'm just going to go right into it and see what we have. As you can see here, we got past all the setup stages. You see all the many apps. You have Netflix, Prime Video, Disney, Apple, YouTube, everything you want. You even have Samsung Health. And you scroll over, you have Samsung TV Plus. It gives you a couple of free channels to watch. You can watch live TV right from Samsung right there on the TV. So no extra work needed on your part. Just need a Wi-Fi connection and you're good to go. It'll give you small clips of headlines, different shows that are on TV, YouTube clips and stuff, and so forth. And if you go all the way over, like I am now, you see all these. You can go down the menu. You can have your icon here with your profile, how you want to set up the TV. If you want to do multi-view, you can set all that good stuff up. And you go back up, of course, we're just there with the media. Then you have the game option here. If I click this, it'll take you into game mode. That's if you set up your Xbox to it, you have all this here. You can hook up your game controller to the TV and actually play your Xbox through Xbox Cloud Gaming Services. As you can see, you have Strata, you have Xbox. If you have Game Pass and all that other stuff, you can do it through here. As you can see, we already put Xbox on there for you. So me, myself, I'm a big Xbox fan, so that's perfect for me. You have Twitch. I don't know if you guys still watch Twitch. I personally kind of do and don't, but that option's there for you. And we go back again. As of course the ambient, you can set the lighting, but I won't be doing that right now. So if we go back to where we were at media, yet again you're back to where you were. So that's the TV pretty much. You know, you have all your connections, a beautiful picture. When I turn off the lights, trust me, you get this TV, turn off the lights, you won't want to turn them back on again, because this thing is gorgeous. So what we're going to do now is the final thing. I'm sure you guys are seeing the video. Why is it still here? We're taking it off now. Don't worry, I got you. So, there's all your icons. So your game icon, your media icon, your menu to set up all your TV options. And we'll get this side too, don't worry. There we go. A nice, gorgeous, beautiful display. Nice and thin, beautiful television. So I can say for myself, anybody interested in looking at the Samsung Q82BA, go for it. It's a gorgeous, beautiful television. It's a 22 television and you won't go wrong with it. So next time you see me in the next video, when I do come back, I'll be setting up my Xbox Series X with this television here, and I'll show you all its 4K 120 goodness. Whoops. That wasn't me. The TV has a mind of its own. Yet again, a mind of its own.
At this point, I gotta think to myself, well, there's no place else.
There we go. Back to where we were. My bad. But yes, as I said, next episode when I come back on my channel, I'll make a video with Xbox Series X playing it. You can see what 4K at 120 looks like. It's going to be beautiful. I almost guarantee it. So look for my next video coming up. So if you like this video, please like, please subscribe, help out the channel. Help me bring some more videos to you people. And thanks for watching. Peace.